keep losing my shims, and that was a pickle jar. So now I'm actually putting my shims on. You'll notice that I have the plastic bit that now attaches to my plunge router base. I'm not sure it's doing anything. Probably because I'm an idiot and it's on the wrong side. We'll deal with that in a minute. So this is the forward board. I think it's probably part 4. One side is milled. This is before I chop it down. I've got a couple of little splits here that I have to deal with, but that's nothing too serious. Little diddy one here. The limber that I was oh so excited about on the edges with the yellow bits, if we remember from the other videos, is chipping like a dickhead. So now I'm really regretting that that decision. We'll see. I'll get this. I'm gonna grab a beer. We'll get this flipped over in a minute and get the other side milled, get it down to size, and then I'll run a router bit. I'll run a router on this and see if it comes down and it works. If not, I've made a dreadful error. Yeah, and I'll probably turn that thing around the other side. The other thing I don't like about that, I hate to put a hook or a piece of string up here, is it really makes, if you saw with the action of the normally quite even smoother than before Rout-N-Plane XL, it's making it a bit one side heavy, and I don't like that, which sucks. So I'm gonna grab a bit. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, a different view for you, so it's slightly less boring. Slightly less boring. Okay, let's get back to it. Sit there for a minute. No, you have to turn the board upside down. There's a bit wobbly, oh boy. Well, actually, doesn't help you do it either. Awesome. So that isn't so bad. If you did watch yesterday's review, you'll see that I said that this thing is a proverbial tank. And it is. Und Router und Plungebase. Down in this, I need my shim. If anyone's wondering, this is a 0.32 shim. Doink. Skin passes rather than no one taking too much material. Now, what is going to annoy me is actually attaching this hose. This hose does make it little bit top heavy. It feels like it's getting caught. I always want to put a piece of string or a bungee cord or something, but I don't have that option. Okay. Let's don't like, and there's a low spot back here. So this first pass is likely to be a little bit on the weak side. Let's see what this does. I'll turn the mic on. Ugh. They say that proof is in the pudding. And the pudding for me is a bloody big ruler. Oh, this needs to get milled again. You can't see it, I can see it. This needs to go down by about another 30 seconds. Which is fine. That's what I'm here for. Yeah. It's got a little bit. If I can see daylight underneath it, it's not good enough. Right. So, I'm not going to have you watch me mill a third time. I'm just going to get it done.